Once a single layer is complete, the base plate is lowered just enough to make room for the next layer. More material is raised from the cartridge and recoated evenly upon the previously sintered layer. The DMLS machine continues to sinter layer upon layer, building from the bottom up. As the part is built, support structures are added to give supplemental strength to fine features and overhanging surfaces. The completed part is then removed from the base plate and treated with an age-hardening heat process to further harden the part. Any support structures are also removed at this time. With numerous surface treatment and hand polishing options available through service providers such as Solid Concepts,